Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Malo Tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk on how to represent the given data on a simple bar chart or a bar graph. So here we are given a statement which is saying, below shows a data of students who participate in the in-house competition at St. Peter's School. So here we are given the team names and the number of students who have participated in the in-house competition. So we're having the red team which was having 60 students, the blue is having 120, brown is having 150, and then the green is having 100. So we have to know something about the simple bar chart or the simple bar graphs. So the simple bar graphs is the one which is having the bars representing the one category variable, and then the height of each bar indicates the value of the category. So let's start drawing. So what we're going to do first is, when we are drawing the bar graph, we start by drawing the vertical line, that is the y-axis, and then the horizontal line, which is the x-axis. So this one I call it the x-axis, and then this line is called the y-axis. So after drawing now, what you have to know, which is very important, is that this side, this line, which is the vertical, which is the y-axis, the vertical line, is where we write our frequency. So here our frequency is the number of students. So this side we have to always write the frequency here. So our frequency here is the number of students. And then on the horizontal line, which is the x-axis, is where we have to write our single category variable, which is the team. So now on the frequency, we're going to use this scale of 50, 100, 150, and then we end at 200. So, and after that, now let us draw on the, we are given that on the team red, we're having 60 learners or 60 students, so it means 60 is almost here. And then on the blue team, we're having 120 learners, so 120 learners is almost here. 120 learners. And then on the brown team, we're having 150 learners, so the 150 learners here. Then we come on the green team. The green team was having 100 students or learners. So under this single category variable, we are having 4 categories, which are, let us write them. Here we are having red, and then here we are having blue, and then brown, and then lastly we are having green. So this is how you draw a simple bar chart or a simple bar graph. So let us look on the second example. So on the second example, we are just given a data which is ungrouped, it's not even arranged. So first what we need to do is to arrange our data. So we're going to draw our frequency table so that we'll be able to represent the information on a simple bar chart or a simple bar graph. So what we're going to do first here, let us read the statement given. It's saying below are the quiz scores of business study students. So these are the marks which have been scored by the student business learners. So what we need to do first, we're going to draw our 2-column frequency table, which I call the score column, and then the students column, or the number of students. Let's say number of students here, number of students. So now what we're going to say, we're saying the 50 mark. How many students were having 50 marks? Who scored the 50 marks? So we're going to say 1, 2, 3. So we're only having 3 students. We have scored 50 marks. What about the ones who scored 60? We're having 1, 2, 3, 4. So 60 marks, we're having 4 students. And what about 70? We're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 70, we're having 6 students. Then on 80, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4. So 80 is having 4 students. And then on 90, we're having 1, 2. We're only having 2 here. So so now our data is now easier to represent it on a simple bar chart or simple bar graph. So now on the simple bar chart, what we're going to do first, to draw our first 2 lines, the horizontal and the vertical line. This one, which is called the x-axis, and this one is the y-axis. And then, as usual, on the vertical line, this is where we are going to plot the frequency, and then the frequency here is the number of students again. Number of students. And then here, with these numbers, you're going to use the scale of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here, with the numbers given here, we're going to start with 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, and then this side, this is the side where we're going to represent the one category variable, which is the scores. This time we're having scores here, the scores. And then our main scored 50, we're having 3. And then 3 students. So I'm going to draw by here. And then scored 60, we're having 4. 4. 70, we're having 6. 6 students. And then our main scored 80, we're having 4. 4 students. And then we're only having 2. Only having 2. So, this is how you draw the simple budget. So, at first I was saying, on the simple budget, we are having what is called the single category variable. Yeah, this is the single category variable. And then we are having the categories. Also, these are the categories. And then these categories, their height, the height of the bar is the one that indicates their values. So, you are seeing it here that this height of this bar indicates the value of this category. So that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Have a good day.